Hey, good morning everyone. I'm making a quick video here because I haven't seen this out for the Teslas. This is what hopefully you can do if you get a little puncture in your tire when you're out driving around. So first, you're going to get an alert on your car. It's going to tell you that your air pressure is low. Pull over. So you do want to pull over in this safe spot. And then you want to raise your car to the very high position. Put it in jack mode. And then you grab your patch kit and your air compressor. Hopefully you have that with you. If you didn't, you're going to have to walk 0.3 miles like I did to Harbor Freight to buy one. So hopefully you have your flat tire within 0.3 miles of a Harbor Freight. Nah, I'm just kidding. You can go to Walmart too. All right, now we're going to go out to the car, to the tire, and try to patch this up. So I already found the issue here. We have a hole here. We also have a secondary tear right underneath. I'm hoping that cut did not puncture. We're gonna find out in a minute here. Now, I already prepped my patch kit. The patch is here. I'm gonna put the rubber cement on. I already cleaned out the hole, and then we'll be plugging the air compressor in and inflating the tire. Get some of the adhesive all over. You're probably going to drip a little bit too. Push that into the tire. Well, that went all the way in there. Normally I cut off the extra, but there's no extra. Don't forget to put your cap back on, otherwise you're going to get the rubber cement everywhere. Alright, then finally I'm just going to go plug in that compressor and then inflate everything up. Hopefully this tire is going to hold air, and then we'll be on our way. Thanks for watching.